the RAM. And there we go. Okay, so in this case, this RAM is not good for the motherboard. I'm not saying it's not good like it's damaged, no, but it's not good for this particular board. So I'll just take it off. And I'll put this RAM in here and power it. And I'm gonna on it. You see, this RAM is good with this board. It's compatible with it. That doesn't mean that this RAM is not good. It means it's not compatible with this board. That's the only reason why it gives you a feedback like that. So in this case, I'm just gonna isolate this RAM.